cats. They do that.
Yeah.
That's Ruger and his new friend, Phoenix.
Get him.
That's Ruger there. There's Cleo down there. Hey, Rugy, be nice, buddy. Be nice. It's Ruger walking ahead there. Cleo and Rugy. All three of them. You see that? All three of them.
They don't have too much in terms of drinking.
I love water.